One power bank, no extra cables, no separate travel adapter, just one compact device that handles all of it. A tiny adapter that lets you use your own wireless headphones on any airplane seatback screen. No more suffering through those disposable earbuds airlines hand you. And a pocket-sized router that builds its own private, secure Wi-Fi network in hotel rooms, airports, and Airbnbs, so you stop handing your data to public networks you know nothing about. These are 13 travel tech gadgets that don't just look sharp sitting on a shelf. They actually fix the specific, annoying problems that make travel more stressful than it needs to be. Everything's linked in the description, because if you have a trip coming up, a few of these belong in your bag before you leave. Here's what this list is not. It's not a collection of gadgets that look impressive in an unboxing video and then sit in a drawer after the first trip. Every single item here was picked because it solves a real problem, something you've probably dealt with at least once. Tangled cables, dead devices at the airport, sketchy hotel Wi-Fi, no outlets when you need them most. The goal is a travel setup that's lighter, cleaner, and way less frustrating. 13 products. Each one earns its spot. And a few of them, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever packed without them. The first one already has one job, and it does it so well it replaces 3 things you're probably already carrying. Most people travel with a phone charger, an earbud charger, and a watch charger. That's 3 separate cables, 3 separate and a tangled mess every time you dig through your bag. The KUXIU magnetic wireless charger handles all 3 in one compact foldable kit. It unfolds into a full charging station, phone, earbuds, and watch, then folds back down small enough to slip into a jacket pocket. The magnets snap your phone into place cleanly and precisely, so you're not nudging it around to get a good connection. The built-in hinge props it up like a mini stand, which works surprisingly well on a nightstand or even an airplane tray table. It charges fast, it feels solid, and it cuts your charging accessories down to one item. For travelers who care about keeping their setup clean and minimal, this one sets the tone for everything else on this list. That said, the next gadget pairs with your phone in a completely different way, and once you've used it, going back feels like a step down. A phone grip sounds like a basic accessory, but the Alumu magnetic ring grip is a different animal. It's a grip, a stand, and a magnetic mount all in one, and the dual-axis hinge is what separates it from every other ring grip on the market. That hinge lets you rotate your phone in any direction, which means propping it up to watch a video, taking a hands-free call, or mounting it to a metal surface all happen without any awkward repositioning. The magnets are strong enough to feel genuinely secure, not the kind where you're silently hoping it doesn't fall mid-use. For travel specifically, this thing earns its spot. You're constantly setting your phone down on tray tables, cramped hotel desks, and uneven surfaces. Having a grip that doubles as a flexible stand just removes friction from all of those moments. It's small, it's light, and it changes the way you interact with your phone on the road. Keep that in mind as we move to the next one, because this gadget is less about your phone and more about the charger that's currently making a mess in your bag. This one is almost too simple, and that's exactly why it works. The FuseReel Charger Organizer attaches directly to your charging brick. It gives you a collapsible reel that wraps your cable around it in seconds. That's it. That's the whole idea. And yet, it completely transforms the most annoying part of packing your tech. No more stuffing a tangled cable into a side pocket and pulling out a knot an hour later. Your charger goes from being a loose, messy bundle to a neat, compact unit that actually stays that way. It adds almost no weight, takes up almost no extra space, and costs almost nothing compared to the frustration it eliminates. If you've ever unzipped your bag at a coffee shop and had to spend 30 seconds untangling your charger before you could plug in, you already understand why this exists. Not every great travel gadget needs to be complicated. Sometimes the best upgrade is just a smarter version of something you already use every day. Speaking of smarter, the next one is for anyone who travels with important files and actually wants to know they're safe. Standard flash drives are fine, until they're not. Slow transfer speeds, no way to check drive health, no feedback at all. You just plug it in and hope everything's working. The Dockcase Pocket SSD is a completely different approach. It turns a compact SSD into a high-speed external drive, and it includes a small built-in display that shows you real-time storage health and transfer speeds. That little screen changes the experience entirely. You're not guessing whether your files transferred correctly. You can see it. For content creators, remote workers, or anyone carrying data they genuinely can't afford to lose, this is the kind of device that justifies its price on the first trip. It's faster than a standard flash drive, more reliable, and the form factor is slim enough to disappear into a jeans pocket. This one is more niche than some of the others on this list. But if you need it, nothing else on the market feels quite like it. Now, speaking of things you plug into walls, the next adapter has a detail built into it that most people overlook the first time they see it. International travel and adapters have a complicated relationship. You need one, you know you need one, and yet somehow the one you packed either doesn't work or only handles one device at a time. The VisaGo travel adapter is built differently. It supports multiple devices charging simultaneously, including a laptop, so you're not rotating gear in and out of a single port. But the detail that actually stands out is the built-in voltage indicator. It shows you whether the local power supply is within a safe range for your electronics, which removes a lot of the guesswork when you're in an unfamiliar country plugging in devices that weren't cheap. That's a practical feature that most adapters don't offer, and once you've used it, you'll notice its absence on every generic adapter you come across. Less juggling, less guessing. One adapter that handles the job. The next gadget is also about dealing with a frustration that hits specifically at 35,000 feet. And if you've ever suffered through airline-provided earbuds, this one is for you. Airline audio jacks exist in a strange limbo. The screen is right there, the content is right there, but your wireless headphones, the ones you specifically packed for long travel days, can't connect to it. So you either use the disposable earbuds the airline hands you, or you sit there watching something with bad audio. The Soomphone Airplane adapter solves this cleanly. You plug it into the seatback audio jack, pair your wireless headphones to it, and you're in. No wires, no compromise on audio quality. It also supports connecting two pairs of headphones at once, which makes it a practical pick for traveling with a partner and actually watching something together without splitting a cable. It's compact enough to live permanently in a tech pouch and holds a charge long enough to last through a long-haul flight without worrying about it dying mid-movie. It's a simple fix for something that's been quietly annoying travelers for years. Small device, big difference. And the next one? It might be the most versatile item on this entire list, because it's essentially 5 gadgets compressed into one. Long travel days have a way of exposing every gap in your setup. Dead phone at the layover, no cable for your tablet, nowhere to wirelessly charge your earbuds, one outlet and 4 devices that all need it. The PWR Mobile 5-in-1 power bank is built for exactly that scenario. It combines a portable battery, built-in cables, wireless charging, and international plug support into one compact device. You're not carrying a power bank plus a cable plus a separate adapter. It's all here. The practical impact is real. Fewer items in your bag, fewer things to forget, and that low-key comfort of knowing your devices have backup power no matter where you are or how long until you reach an outlet. It's ideal for full-day travel, long flights, and layovers where you genuinely don't know when the next reliable outlet is coming. If you're the kind of traveler who's ever watched their phone battery hit 12% with 2 hours left before boarding, this one is a direct answer to that anxiety. The next gadget attacks a different problem, one that gets worse every year as more of our travel depends on internet access. Public Wi-Fi is everywhere. It's also one of the least secure things you can connect to. Hotel networks, airport hotspots, Airbnb routers. You have no idea who else is on them or how well they're protected. The TP-Link travel router sidesteps the problem entirely. It creates its own private Wi-Fi network, pulling from whatever internet source is available and building a clean, secure connection that only your devices use. You log in once. Every device you're carrying stays connected automatically. No re-entering passwords on each device. No exposing your laptop to a shared network. Beyond security, it's also useful for improving weak connections in hotel rooms where the signal is strong at the front desk and non-existent in your room. Plug this in, and the coverage becomes usable. It's genuinely small, the kind of thing that slides into a side pocket and you forget it's there until you need it. And when you need it, it earns every bit of space it takes up. Here's where things get practical in a very different way. The next gadget solves the problem every hotel room creates the moment you walk in. Hotel rooms and the outlet situation in hotel rooms are two very different things. You walk in with a phone, a laptop, a camera, possibly a travel router, earbuds that need charging, and there are two outlets. Sometimes they're both behind the nightstand. The Enton Power Travel Power Strip fixes this without drama. It gives you multiple outlets and USB ports in a slim, flat design that packs easily. The flat plug means it sits flush against the wall without sticking out awkwardly, and the wraparound cable design keeps it compact in your bag. Plug it in once, and suddenly your entire tech setup has a home. Everything charges at the same time. No rotating devices, no waiting for one thing to finish before plugging in the next. It's not the most exciting item on this list, but it might be the one you'll be most grateful for at the end of a long travel day when everything you need is fully charged and ready. Now, the next one is small enough to clip onto a keychain, and it can save you from one of the most stressful travel moments there is. Losing your keys in a hotel room you're about to check out of. Leaving your luggage tag somewhere and not realizing until you're at the gate. These are the moments that turn an otherwise smooth trip into a stressful scramble. The Marathi Keychain Tracker connects to your phone and gives you two ways to fight back. If your keys are nearby, you can make them ring from your phone, useful when they've slid under a cushion or fallen behind something. If they're not nearby, you can check their last known location, which at least gives you a starting point. You can also set departure reminders that alert you if you leave without them, which is the kind of safety net that pays off the one time you're rushing through checkout and your brain is 3 steps ahead of your hands. It clips onto a keychain, takes up no meaningful space, and removes a specific type of travel anxiety that's completely disproportionate to how small the thing you're looking for actually is. Now, stay with me for this next one, because it handles something you deal with constantly, but probably haven't found a clean solution for yet. Every tech pouch has a cable situation. Usually it's not a good one. Cables bunch up, wrap around each other, and turn a small, organized case into a minor excavation project every time you need to charge something. The Basis USB-C travel cable handles this differently. It's retractable. It extends when you need length, then retracts back into its compact housing so it's never loose in your bag. No wrapping, no knots, no untangling. And before you assume retractable means slow, it still supports fast charging for phones, tablets, and laptops. You're not giving up performance to get convenience. Both coexist here. It's a small thing. But small things done well is basically the theme of this entire list. Once your cable situation is clean, everything else about your tech pouch feels more manageable. And the next item is the thing that ties all of this together, literally. Everything on this list is useful individually, but without a system to carry it, you end up with a bag full of loose gadgets, cables you can't find, and chargers that somehow always end up at the bottom. The Alpaca Tech case is the solution to that problem. It opens wide and flat so you can see everything at a glance. No digging, no guessing. Internal pockets and dividers give every item a specific spot, which means packing takes seconds and unpacking takes even less. It's compact enough to carry as a standalone pouch or drop into a backpack without taking over the whole bag. But the real value is behavioral. When everything has a place, you're less likely to leave something behind, less likely to forget what you packed, and a lot less likely to spend 5 minutes looking for a cable you packed 2 hours ago. It's the kind of organizational upgrade that quietly improves every trip from the moment you start packing. And the last item on this list? It's the one you'll probably use more hours per day than anything else here. Good earbuds on a trip change the texture of the whole experience. Long flights feel shorter, layovers become tolerable. Exploring a new city with the right playlist hits different than doing it in silence or with earbuds that hurt after an hour. The Skullcandy earbuds are built for exactly this kind of extended use. They're lightweight, comfortable enough for hours at a time, and the battery holds up through a full travel day without needing a recharge mid-use. The case is compact and can clip to a bag, so they're always accessible without taking up real estate in a pocket. They block enough ambient noise to keep you focused without cutting you off completely from your surroundings, which matters when you're in an airport or navigating an unfamiliar place and still need to be aware of what's happening around you. Consistent audio performance, reliable battery, a form factor that fits the way people actually travel. That's what earbuds should do, and these deliver on all three. "13 gadgets, each one solving a specific problem that travel tends to create. Dead batteries, tangled cables, bad hotel Wi-Fi, too few outlets, lost keys, bad in-flight audio. None of these are miracle products. But together, they build a travel setup that's cleaner, lighter, and significantly less stressful than what most people are currently carrying. That's the actual goal, not gear for its own sake, but gear that gets out of your way and lets you actually focus on the trip. Every product mentioned is linked in the description. If you're packing soon, take 2 minutes to look through them. At least one of these is going to fix something that's been quietly bothering you for trips. If this breakdown was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And subscribe if you want more lists built like this one. Honest, practical, and worth your time. One last thing, the next video covers travel gadgets that go even further. Stuff that's newer, more niche, and in a few cases, harder to believe actually works. Worth checking out. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.